the good people from Giraffe Tools have sent me this Grand Falls Pressure Washer Pro. Easy clean. And I like it because it mounts on the wall so it doesn't take up any floor space on my shop. Alright, let's go give it a try. Hey, when you got a pressure washer, the uses are endless. Just got to change the end here to whatever one I want to use to wash the car. Let's just pick this one, I don't know. Now we can give her a cleaning weenie. Alright. Okay, pro tip for you. When you go to spray wash your car, make sure the windows are up.